In this video, I will show you how to create a zip archive of a whole directory in Ubuntu using the terminal. The archive will include all the regular files and folders, but will skip hidden files. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T next, navigate to the directory where the folder you want to zip is located. Use the command cd followed by the path. For example, if your folder is in Documents, type cd Documents and press Enter. Now, to create a zip archive of a folder without hidden files, we will use the zip command with some options. The basic syntax is zip archive-name.zip folder name x*/*. Here, R means recursive, so it includes all files and subfolders. The X per inch part tells the zip command to exclude all hidden files and folders. Hidden files are those starting with a dot. For example, if your folder is called My Project and you want to create an archive called myproject.zip, type zip myproject.zip myproject x*/*. Then press Enter. The zip command will start compressing the folder. You will see the files being added, except the hidden ones. After the process is done, you will have a zip archive named myproject.zip in the current directory. This archive contains all the visible files and folders inside my project, but excludes hidden files. That is how you create a zip archive of a directory in Ubuntu via terminal without including hidden files. This method works on most Linux systems with the zip command installed. If zip is not installed, you can install it by running sudo apt-get install zip. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.